In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can build an app with Google AI Studio and seamlessly connect it to n8n so that all the data can flow from your app to n8n. This is the easiest way to vibe code and no APIs required. Since it's Google, all the APIs are already connected and you can use your voice to create the app. This is so cool, and I'm so excited to see what you guys are gonna build with this tool right here. So I'm gonna show you guys a little demo project I built just to show you guys the capabilities and what you can do with it. So let's get straight into that. All right, so check this out. This is Google AI Studio, and I built this app in like 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys first how it works, but think about this. I didn't have to connect any APIs. It all did it itself. Easy vibe coding. Even if you're a beginner, you can do this. So let me show you a quick demo of how useful this app is. It's absolutely insane that you can create something like this in 10 minutes. So in the search query right here, I wrote marketing agency. For the city, I wrote Montreal, and the number of leads, I want 10. So let me just click on scrape leads and see what happens. So the AI lead scraper just finished running, and let me show you. It easily scraped 10 leads straight from Google Maps with all of its information. Not only that, it sent all the information straight into my Google Sheets here with all the important information to go ahead and contact those leads, like their phone number, email, website, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and a lot more information. Literally built in 5 minutes and no APIs used. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to actually build it. So all you wanna do is come to Google AI Studio here, and you wanna click on build. And once you click build, all we're gonna do is over here is the API connections we can connect that are already built in. So what I wanna do is use Google Maps data and use Google search data. So I'm just gonna click on both of those. And then I have this prompt that I created earlier. So basically generate an app that will scrape leads for me. After it scrapes the leads, it will send the data through a webhook with specific columns. I require the output to be structured, and then I basically have the Google Sheets here, and I copy and pasted all these columns right here straight into the prompt right there. And then after that, I also wrote, I want the data to be sent as a post to this webhook, and we'll get straight into that, but you add a webhook node into n8n and change it to post right here. And then we're just gonna take the production URL right here, we're gonna copy it, and we're gonna put it right here so that it can automatically post all the data straight into our n8n. Then I also wrote as input, I want to have the search query, city, and country. So super simple prompt like that. I'm just gonna click build, and I'm gonna let that run. Now for the Google Sheets, you guys can just create a Google Sheets and put all this info into the top row, like generated date, search city, search country, lead number, and so on and so forth. Basically just all the information that you want to scrape. Once you do that, we want to go into n8n, and you're gonna have to do this before you run the prompt because you're gonna need the webhook URL, but you're gonna just write webhook into here, and like this, you're going to get a new trigger webhook, and in this webhook, all we're gonna do is we're gonna change it to post, and you can change the path here to whatever you want. I'm just gonna put test URL. This is just gonna change the path name at the end. Then you can copy that and put it into the prompt like I showed you guys earlier. Then after that, you want to wait, because all we're gonna do is we're gonna send the data once the app is built into this webhook so we can build out the rest of the flow. So I'm gonna wait while the app gets built, and then I'll show you guys how we can continue building this workflow. So as you guys can see, our workflow got created. We're going to allow, and you can see right here, it easily created this beautiful landing page for us, this nice app that we can use. And you can actually just write in plain English here, anything you want to make a change to on the website. That's what I really love about this too, is you can be super versatile. You can create anything. But for now, let's just test this. All we're going to do is we're going to disconnect this and make sure that your n8n workflow is active so that it can automatically execute. We're going to go back to Google Studio here and let's just do what it recommends us. Let's do plumbers in the city of New York and let's do the country USA. Let's click scrape leads and let's see what happens. All right. So look at that, successfully scraped 15 leads and it actually scraped the leads pretty well. So let's see if that went into our n8n workflow. All you're gonna do is click execution and then over here, you should be able to see if it got executed. We can click on it just like that and you can actually take a look at the data. So what we're gonna do is click copy to editor on the top right and now it's pinned data into the webhook. Boom, just like that. Look at all this data. Perfect. So now all we want to do with that data is we're going to get a split node because the issue right now is that all of the body that comes in is built-in arrays. So if we want to process the information one by one, we're going to have to parse out these arrays into their own objects. So all I'm going to do is get a split node right here and I'm simply just going to drag and drop this to connect to the split node. Then in the split node, I'm just going to scroll down here, go to the body array. So we want to grab this body array right here and just drag and drop it into fields to split out. Once you do that, you can click execute and boom, just like that, we have 15 items. Now, each item is unique with its own data. So the next step is to append all this information into our Google Sheets. So I'm just going to go into Google Sheets here and delete all the info we have right now so that we have a clean slate. Then I'm going to type in Google Sheets and I'm going to click on append row in Sheets. From here, I'm going to make sure to pick the Google AI Studio sheet that I created and we're going to go with sheet 1. Now you see that all the columns are generated here and this is the only tedious part. We're going to need to drag and drop each part into its proper column. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm just going to drag and drop, search city, search country, lead number, and I'm going to do them all off camera. So boom, just like that, I've connected all the information. Now let's click execute step and see what happens. Boom, just like that, we got the green check mark. Let's check out our sheet. Ooh, all the data has come in. Now, I do see a couple issues here. We're missing email, website, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, a bunch of important information that we're missing. So let's go back into our AI Studio and I'll show you guys how we can vibe code these features in. Also, as you can see, we're missing somewhere where we can pick the amount of leads we want to get. So all I'm going to do is click this speech to text and prompt it. You don't even have to code. You don't have to type. You can literally build this app with your voice. Super cool. So I got a couple issues right now. One of the issues is that I don't have an input field to put the amount of leads that I want to scrape. So please add a feature where I can type in the amount of leads that I want to scrape. Also, another thing is the AI agent could be better at scraping. Right now, it's missing the email, the website, the LinkedIn, the Facebook, and the Instagram of the leads that it scrapes. So please fix that as well. So boom, just like that, we got all the speech to text here. Now I'm going to click send prompt and we're going to wait for it to fix all the issues and make the changes to our app live. This is so cool, guys. Look how easy this is. You literally talk to a screen and it builds the app for you. So now I'm going to let it go through its thinking process, fix the issues, and then I'll show you guys the changes it made. All right, so it's still making the changes, but here you can see it already answered and it said, of course, I can make these changes. And now it's currently making the changes in the code. You can literally watch it code for you. It's so cool. So I'm going to wait for it to finish and show you guys what it looks like once it's done. All right, so just like that, now we have the number of leads input, so we can actually pick how many leads to scrape. Also, it should actually be able to grab the emails and all the social medias now. So let's test this out. Super quick, super simple. Let me just write the search query for PPC agency, or actually let's do a creative agency. And I want this to be from Montreal, so you can actually scrape local leads. This is so useful. Guys, normally you would have to pay for a bunch of APIs, a bunch of different stuff to even make this possible. The fact that you can just say a quick prompt into Google AI Studio and it builds you this with the APIs connected is crazy. So let's do number of leads. Let's do 10 for this example. So now I have creative agency, 10 leads from Montreal, Canada, and I'm just gonna click scrape leads and we're gonna wait and see what happens. Hopefully it works. Right here we have the flow that we created, so that is active. So the second it sends the data, it should run the flow and put the data into our sheet as well. So I'm gonna wait for this to run and hopefully it works. The best thing about this as well is if it doesn't work, you can just, with plain English, you can tell it to make the changes and make the fixes. So you don't even have to know how to code. This is so beginner friendly and you can make any app you want. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, the AI returned a malformed response. Please try again and refine the search query. And see, it says 2 errors running the code, Autofix. It knows that it had an error. All you have to do is click Autofix and it'll fix the errors for you. Check this out, Autofix, boom. Now we wait, it's gonna fix the errors and I'll be back once the errors are fixed. All right, so now it says the issues has been fixed. Let's try that again. So creative agency, we'll do 10 leads and we'll do it in Montreal. So try number 2, let's scrape leads and see if it works. And boom, we got successfully scraped 10 leads, data sent to Webhook successfully. Let's see if it worked. Boom, just like that, we got all the information right here. We got the phone numbers, we got the email, we got the website, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and everything just like that. I didn't even have to code anything. I literally just set it text to speech and it made the changes on the back end and made it work. Guys, isn't that so cool? I literally just created a lead gen app in less than 20 minutes. Normally, that could have taken like 2 weeks. You can honestly just create apps on the fly, on the go, and pitch these to your clients super easily. It literally takes 2 seconds. Even a baby can do it. This is so cool. What I love about this is that it's so beginner friendly. You can play around and create apps literally just talking to your screen. It's so cool. It's so crazy. AI is moving so fast. But if you're a beginner, there's a lot to learn. And if you do want to learn, you can join my school for free. I have some more advanced workflows in there that you guys can learn and become better at building AI, because AI is the future and I don't want you guys to miss out. Also, if you're a business owner and you don't have time for all this AI stuff, you can book a call with me and I can build you guys a custom AI solution for any issue that you have. So if you did like this video and found some value from it, make sure to leave me a like and a subscribe. It puts a big smile on my face and makes me feel really, really good. So please do that for your boy. Either way, that's gonna be the end of this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.